Many believe that Dogecoin is set to make a lot of people rich. Although it appears as if the price has peaked, the meme coin still shows signs of strong investment, and Doge's price has the tendency of making a lot of people rich in the near future. Thanks for watching Crypto Line. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description. Dogecoin saw a bullish run that put it beyond 70 cents as it continued to gain celebrity backing and a vibrant online community. This had prompted both experienced and inexperienced investors to wonder whether the currency would make them wealthy if they bought early. At the start of last year, Dogecoin showed a lot of promise as the meme-based coin set new milestones in the first half of the year, bringing a slew of new investors eager to capitalize on its increased traction. Most individuals appear to have learned from Bitcoin's trip and are no longer prepared to take risks. As a result, most new cryptocurrencies are swiftly gaining traction as investors believe that these assets will someday make them rich. Billionaire Elon Musk, who casually tweeted about its potential, had brought the Dogecoin back into the spotlight, and it's had one of the most spectacular growths since then. In May of 2021, Dogecoin reached 70 cents, with its market valuation fluctuating between $60 and $80 billion, depending on price action. Is it safe to assume that if you invest in the coin now, you'll become rich? Well, let's go through everything in more depth. To reduce the chance of losing money on your investments, it's critical that you put in the effort to develop knowledge and confidence before investing in Dogecoin. Before you invest your money, you should educate yourself using the numerous web tools that are accessible to you, including this channel. The more you prepare yourself before investing in Dogecoin, the more likely it is that you will profit from your investment. Will Dogecoin reach $100 one day? Dogecoin's recent shocks have many people wondering about that question. While it pays to be optimistic as an investor, Dogecoin is unlikely to reach $100 anytime soon. A variety of factors must be considered in order to effectively answer this issue. To begin with, Dogecoin is an inflationary currency. This means that its supply is not restricted because billions of coins are added every year. Based on the principles of supply and demand, we can see that as demand for Doge rises, so will supply, bringing the price down in the end. As a result, Dogecoin will struggle to reach even $1. To accomplish this, its market capitalization would have to be quite large. In fact, according to current data, if Doge ever reaches $100, its market worth would exceed $18 trillion. That is about the same as the GDP of the United States in 2020. The current worldwide crypto market cap is around $1.8 trillion, according to CoinMarketCap. That demonstrates how unlikely it is for Dogecoin to reach $100 anytime soon. The fact that Dogecoin's price is heavily based on excitement and speculation exposes it to high levels of volatility, making it difficult for it to achieve significant price jumps. In fact, some observers believe Dogecoin is on the verge of a bubble. Again, this is a cryptocurrency, and weirder things have happened, particularly over the course of the past year, so it's safe to assume that everything is conceivable. If the present bullish trend continues, Dogecoin might have a massive breakthrough in the next 5 years. As is customary, forecasts differ, with some predicting the positive trend would continue, while others believe it will reverse. Wallet investors a bit more enthusiastic, predicting that Dogecoin will still be valued at $1.06 in May of 2025. Along the way, the site hints at stability. According to Wallet Investors' projection, Doge will remain at the dollar level even if it fluctuates up and down. Of course, other experts are less optimistic. For example, Coin Price Forecast predicts that Dogecoin will be valued at more than 38 cents by the end of 2025, and more than 44 cents by the end of the next year. Long Forecast is a little more conservative, predicting that Dogecoin would trade a little higher than 21 cents by mid-2025. As previously said, Dogecoin thrives on conjecture and excitement. These are most likely the factors that will decide the value of the Dogecoin in the coming years. There are 3 parties who are mostly responsible for the hype, and they'll determine Dogecoin's long-term value. And these are celebrities, the online community, and of course, memes. Now, if these 3 parties continue to promote Doge, the currency might be quite valuable in about 10 years. It all depends on if more celebrities continue to endorse it, the community remains active, and of course, people continue to share Dogecoin memes. So is Dogecoin a good long-term investing option? There are several reasons why investing in Dogecoin is a wise idea. Dogecoin is arguably one of the most popular cryptocurrencies to invest in due to the huge selection of trading platforms and exchanges and online brokerages available throughout the world. You can easily convert Doge for cash or other cryptos with exceptionally minimal costs. As you may know, Dogecoin began as a joke to demonstrate how people invested in cryptocurrencies without completely understanding them. This implies that unlike Ethereum and IOTA, the asset has no ambitions to pursue. It lacks a white paper, a full-time development staff, at least until recently, an executive board, and other essentials of many cryptocurrencies. Apparently, the creators never anticipated it to be successful. However, the prank backfired and Dogecoin skyrocketed against many people's expectations. It's evolved from a fraction of a dollar to become one of the most valued digital assets, about 11th by market value. In 2021, Dogecoin surged by more than 14,000% and reached over $80 billion in market valuation, which is more than Dell, a firm with over 160,000 employees. Is it therefore a good long-term investment? Let's have a look at this in more detail. Assume you purchased Dogecoin 5 years ago, on May 4th, 2016, at a price of about $0.0002. Doge reached a high of 73 cents in May of 2021. In only 5 years, there's been an almost 324,000% growth. Obviously, you wouldn't spend a penny to acquire cryptocurrency for long-term investment, so let's bump up the statistics just a tad. If you'd only bought $10 that day, you'd have around 44,000 Dogecoins, which are now valued at more than $6,000. So let's assume you put in 100. That's more than $60,000 at the current rate of 14 cents. And if you were a little brave and put in $500, that would be worth more than $300,000 today. As you can see, based on historic data, Dogecoin is a solid long-term investment. Whether or not you want to acquire Dogecoin is determined by your investing objectives. It is worthy of a space in your portfolio if you're actively involved in cryptos and seeking new coins to test. So if you believe you're prepared and have learned everything there is to know about investing in Dogecoin, now may be the time to do so. As we said before, Dogecoin already achieved an all-time high last year, and so this might be your chance to shine and get in early and buy the current dip. If you've already chosen to invest in cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin is something to consider. Experts feel that the value of Dogecoin will continue to rise in the future and that investing in Doge is a wise long-term investment. As a result, it might be an excellent moment to invest in Dogecoin now because the asset is performing exceptionally well. A lot of news hype is still going around Dogecoin to help drive up its price, and online celebrities like Elon Musk have also been playing their parts. It's in a consistent uptrend, but given that the coin doesn't have a lot of practical use, many people are skeptical about investing in it. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency investments have significant risks, and you might lose the majority of your money. Dogecoin is especially volatile, since it's based on social media hype and speculation. So before you get any Dogecoin, be sure you know what you're getting yourself into. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. If you have any questions, drop us a comment, and as always, good luck and happy investing.